Who is the? What she got going on? What do she got on? Her feet ashy. Ugh, she ain't matching. Oh, she noticed. All right, she gonna fix it. All right. Oh, okay, she cute or whatever. Okay, girl, oh, she almost tripped, and then her knees look like her legs hurt. She can't sit down, but she crossed them though. Oh, what's that? Oh, look like a little perfume. Is that Dossier? Hmm. Okay, honest. You look good, so you might as well smell good. Okay, I see you, girl. Let's see what she got to say. Keep watching.
Hey y'all, it's Sekoya Hicks. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different than what I normally do. Normally you would see probably a hair tutorial from me or maybe occasionally a makeup tutorial. But today I decided to pair fashion with fragrance. You feel me? The intro was very brief. It was very, very brief, but I think you get the point. Like when you look crazy like me, sometimes you want to look good, you know what I'm saying? But when you look good, you want to smell good. Yeah. So I have collaborated with Dossier. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. They are a fragrance brand, and not only are they a fragrance brand, they are an inexpensive fragrance brand. Okay? And I'm not playing. They are inexpensive. But when I say that, don't equate inexpensive to mean cheap. Because cheap is very different from inexpensive. Now, this brand sells alternative fragrances to the high-end brands, okay? And what I can tell you about this brand, I've had these fragrances here for a few days now, and I have used both of them. But I just want to let you know that I do have high-end brands that cost a lot of money, and I have these that don't cost as much money. These I like better, and this is not a lie. I would not come on here and lie to y'all like that. I wouldn't even mention that part if it was a lie. I would just go on about my, hey, try this brand, but I'm not. When I tell you, seriously, I love this perfume better than any of the other perfumes that I have had thus far. Let me tell you why. When I put this perfume on, it stays on me. With the other brands, which I will not mention the name of, but with the other high-end brands, when I put that on, it might last for maybe an hour, maybe two if I'm lucky. But when I put this on, it literally lasts all day. All day. When I put my high-end perfume on and I go outside, nobody says, oh my gosh, you smell so good. Nobody says that to me. And I'm like, man, I spent all this money and ain't nobody complimenting me. For real. I put this on. My friend had a bachelorette thing last weekend and we were out in the streets. So I got compliments on how good I smelled with this on. And I hadn't just put it on. I had it on for most of the day. And that's what I mean. Like, this is it's really good. It's worth your money. I'll tell you that. Now, I'm going to just get into it before I start rambling. I made notes. Hold on. Oh, and also there will be a giveaway if you didn't see that in the title. There will be a giveaway at the end of the video, so watch everything to get to that point, and I will let you know how you can enter the giveaway, the deadline, and all that information. So anyway, the two fragrances that I got the Woody Sandalwood. We can talk about that one first. The Woody Sandalwood is a unisex scent. It's not woman, it's not man. It's both unisex, okay? When I first sprayed Woody Sandalwood, it really put me in the mindset of earth. It's very, very earthy. Now, if those of you out there like sandalwood, if you like the scent sandalwood reminds me of baby powder, like a natural baby powder. Really, really, really nice. I just love the scent of sandalwood by itself, which is why I chose that one. But when you add the woody part to the sandalwood, it gives it an earthy vibe, even more earthy than sandalwood already was. but it gave it more of an earthy vibe. So for that, I will not be wearing woody sandalwood alone. I have to layer woody sandalwood and see how it works. What I would do, let me tell you what I would do with this, outside of putting it on my body. If I burn some sage or meditate or something like that, after doing so, or maybe even before doing that, I probably would spray the woody sandalwood in my house. Not like spray everywhere like air freshener, because when I tell you the scent is strong, as in like all you need is one spray. So I probably would spray right close to my door or something like that, and then spray on the other side of the house. That's probably what I would do with this woody sandalwood outside of putting it on my body. But I will be putting it on my body when it is layered. I can tell you that. But if you're more of a floral type person or more of a fruity type person, you're not going to like this fragrance. I can't lie to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, if you are an earthy person, you will love it. You will enjoy it very much. And I know earthy people. But I'm not giving it away because I actually do like it. So, the woody sandalwood was inspired by the Le Labo Santal 33. And as I said in the beginning, every single one of these perfumes are alternatives to the high-end perfume. It's not a general alternative. When you look at the perfume, you will see the alternative's name of the high-end brand of the perfume. The concentration is 25% of the woody sandalwood. Okay, so moving on to my favorite scent, which is Floral Musk. This scent right here, this scent is the scent that made me fall in love with Dossier. This is the scent that made me say I would go buy all the scents. This is the scent that made me say I don't even need any more high-end perfumes, because this, you might as well call this the high-end perfume. You might as well just call this, to me, it's not even an alternative. This is it, okay? I can only be 50% accurate with that statement simply because the alternative for this, the high-end alternative, I don't have for this. But when I tell you that it smells very high-end and it lasts all day, that's all that matters to me, okay? For the Floral Musk, we have the top notes being pear, bergamot, lychee. The middle notes, jasmine and rose, and the base notes are musk, vanilla, and patchouli. And this one was inspired by Lancôme Idol. The concentration is 15%, and I'm not sure if I've already stated, but the Floral Musk is a women's fragrance. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the packaging. This is a glass bottle. This is not plastic. It's not a body spray. This is an actual perfume. It feels expensive. Okay, it feels expensive. Not only that, but the top is magnetic. I have another thing to say. Okay, there's this one high-end perfume that I have, and the top will not stay on it. Like, let's say I need to pack a bag and go somewhere. Spend the night somewhere, go on a trip somewhere, whatever. I will put it in my bag with the top on it, and when I take it out of my bag, the top is not on it. It's like just on the other side of the bag, and the perfume is on the opposite side of the bag. And I'm like, how? Why? And I spent all of this money for the top to come off. I don't have that problem anymore. I don't. Like, look. I have to actually look. Like, come on. I don't have that problem. Also, about this perfume, all of the perfumes are colorant and UV filter free. They are vegan and they are paraben free as well. So I'm also like, I think I need a few more days to test the perfumes out, the fragrances out. Just a few more days, because also I noticed when I use the high-end perfumes, I break out. Like, I get small rashes in the places that I sprayed the perfume. But with this, I haven't gotten any of those yet. I'm not itching, like nothing so far. But like I said, I need a few days because my skin is very weird and it's sensitive, whatever. Okay, so let's talk about the website now. When you go on Dossier's website, for those of you that may not have purchased any fragrances from them before. You may not even have high-end fragrances. You just don't know where to start. You don't know what you want. You just don't know. You don't know. You know what you like. You just don't know what to get from them. They have a quiz. So it's a very short quiz, but I think it's short but effective. So all you have to do is, put your email address in, start the quiz. They'll ask you a few questions. You answer the questions accurately, as accurately as you can. On each of the questions, you have more than one selection. So I think you can choose like maybe up to 3 choices. From there, it will, like, you put your email address in, and then they will let you know what type of fragrances would be best for you based off of the answers that you put into the quiz. Definitely, I would suggest doing the quiz if you are new to Dossier. Okay, so when you start searching for products, you will see that they have 75 products. Dossier sells perfumes as well as candles. So you will have a lot to choose from. Once you're on the website and you click all products, and when you look at each picture in the top right hand corner, it will let you know whether this is a men's fragrance, a women's fragrance, or a unisex fragrance. And I also thought that was pretty cool and helpful as well. Okay, they do have a sale coming up, or actually it's going on right now for Black Friday. I'm not going to state the sale price. You can just go on the website and look at it. But the actual normal or regular price of the perfumes range from $29 to $59, and that is very reasonable. I'm actually gonna go buy some more scents for the sale, because when I tell you I'm sold, I'm sold. They do have a sale going on, which brings me to the giveaway information. Dossier reached out to me and so graciously offered me a chance to give a perfume away to one of my subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to do just that. And in order to enter this giveaway, you have to comment in my comment section your favorite scent. Okay, it does not have to be Dossier, because obviously some of you may not have Dossier. It doesn't have to be high end either, because some of you may not have high end. It can be any scent. Just comment your favorite scent in the comment section below. A winner will be picked. I will send the information to Dossier after you have been selected, and once Dossier has your information, they will go ahead and mail you your free perfume. Isn't that exciting? Very exciting. You have to have entered or commented your favorite scent by November 26th. Okay? You have to have entered or commented your favorite scent by November 26th. So that's it. That's all I have, y'all. But thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for staying here until the end. I know I get a little winded sometimes, but especially that's just really when I love the products that I'm talking about, and I'm passionate about it. I have a lot of information to give y'all about it before y'all decide that y'all want to go spend y'all duckies on it. You feel me? Okay, I don't believe that I have forgotten anything. Make sure that you check out my description box for all of the information regarding this brand. Also, a promo code will be right here. I'm going to put the promo code right here. Okay? And I'm also going to put the promo code in the description box. That's all I have. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.